In this video you will see our recent cook in the Flaming Coals Texas Offset Smoker. We smoked and cooked pork ribs, pork shoulder and a beef brisket. We started by getting the charcoal going in the firebox for our heat and later adding wood chunks to get our smoke and flavour. For this cook we tested our black wattle for a strong smoky flavour. Once the smoker is between 100 and 125 degrees, it's time to get the smoke going and to put in the meat. It doesn't take much to get it going and to maintain your smoke, usually just 1 or 2 wood chunks every half an hour for the first hour and a half of your cook. We cooked the meat low and slow and wrapped all of the meats in aluminium foil about 4.5 hours into the cook. We let the ribs cook for another hour and ended up with these little beauties. After a couple more hours it was time for the pork shoulder and beef brisket to come out of the smoker and let it rest for a further hour. The pork shoulder was first, so we got out the meat claws to pull it, ready for a feed. The end result was amazing. And finally, the brisket. We cut into it to reveal a nice little smoke ring, plenty of juice and lots of flavour. We enjoyed this cook and the end product even more. We say don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes when smoking meats, as sometimes that's when you learn best and end up with some great cooks.